Alright, so here's the 2020 Audi A3, and this is a really sweet car. This is the final edition with the S-Line package with the full LED headlamps and also upgraded 18-inch alloys with the S-Line badging on the quarter panel. So you can see this is a very sweet looking automobile. So being a Quattro, you got the upgraded 2-liter turbo making 228 horsepower, 258 foot-pounds, and that's connected to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. So you have the glossed out grille matching the rest of the vehicle. So it's got a very nice demeanor. And also when you come around to the vehicle on the side, it's got the darked out finish around the window surrounds. So it's a very sinister look. Really sharp. Coming around back, you can see the nice LED tail lamps with the dual exhaust with the nice rear valence on the bottom of the vehicle. So it's got sequential taillights, as you can clearly see here. It's a really nice Audi hallmark. So this car is going to be outfitted with the Bang & Olufsen sound system, the virtual cockpit, and also the really cool sport seats that you're going to see here in this moment. So they're very highly bolstered, and they are the same type of seats that you're going to see in the S3 itself. With the final edition package, you're going to get the flat bottom steering wheel with these seats here. So it's a really nice cockpit here. Very nice design. Got the virtual cockpit, and then your display here comes up when you turn on the vehicle, and then you're going to have the Bang & Olufsen audio system with this vehicle. So nicely trimmed out vehicle, high quality materials throughout, and you have your beam rings on the bottom to greet you. Checking out the rear space here. Nice high quality materials carried throughout with aluminum finish. And you're also going to have rear ventilation as well with additional USB charge points. Nicely sculpted seats here for your occupants. So this is a lot of fun. A little runabout with a lot of fun. Got some really sweet Pirelli tires on these 18-inch alloys. And very large disc brakes to help you in terms of stopping power. So this is a really sweet send-off on this A3. We're not sure if we're going to get the 2021s yet. That's still up in the air, which is going to be a completely redesigned vehicle. But for the time being, we do have these awesome A3s to sell for this year. So you do have the option of front wheel drive or Quattro that you see here, and several different colors to choose from. Got keyless entry, high beam assist, full LED lights. It's a really sweet package. So we're going to show you the Monroney on the automobile in just one moment, but please comment below if you think this is one of the coolest cars in the segment. Just love the body lines on this car. Very sharp. Just a cool package here. And the neat thing is you still have the RS3 is available and the S3. So a lot of cool different ways to spec out the car. And then checking out the window sticker. There you go. So 2020 A3 S-Line with the upgraded 2-liter turbo with the Quattro. And there's all the details with the car. Very nicely spec'd out vehicle, and very good fuel economy to go with all the power. So thanks for tuning into the video. Hope you enjoyed the information of the car, and we're gonna have a lot more content to come. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll have a lot more content to come as we get more vehicles to the dealership. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll catch you guys later. Have a great day.